treasure, riches untold. International stacker, here to say, shiny vibes coming your way. Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow. Giveaways for all, feel the thrill. International stacker chasing that mill. Coins and bars, rare to find. Treasure hunting, one of a kind. Join the crew, let's explore. Stack up wealth and so much more. Chasing that mill. Maps and clues, giveaways tonight. Silver dream shining bright. Roll the dice, take a chance. Treasure calls, we're in a dance. Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow. Giveaways for all, feel the thrill. International stacker that mill. So hit that sub, join the quest. Riches await, you're the best. International stacker, stacking strong. Silver, gold, where you belong. Chasing that mill. So hit that sub, join the quest. Riches await, you're the best. International stacker, stacking strong. Silver, gold, where you belong. Chasing that mill. Chasing that mill. Crabs are grooving side to side. Ocean waves where dreams collide. Claws are up, the beat we chase. Treasure gleaming, golden space. Get your
Mic check 1 2 3 4. How do you guys read me? And who's ready? Smash that like button if you're ready. 2-minute warning till we're live. I mean, technically we're live now, but 2 minutes till the party gets started. Let's go. Yes.
dance with me.
Oh, we've got Poland in the house. What's up, Piotr? Who's ready? Yes.
Treasures found, the music's played. Get your claws up, don't delay. Yeah, join the party night and day. Gold and silver is the key.
Let's go.
Nation, dance with me. Tidal rhythms in the sand, shiny spoils laid by hand. We're the crew.
We're the crew.
Shell Brigade.
Are you part of the Shell Brigade?
The music.
Come on. Let's go.
Get your claws up in the sky.
Let's go.
International stacker, he's our guy.
Yes.
And silver is the key.
Who's ready?
Nation, dance with me.
30 seconds. Let's go.
Dance with me. Dance with me. Dance with me. Dance with me.
Stacker on a journey
to find
silver.
International Stacker.
What is up, ladies and gentlemen? The name is International Stacker, and I'm coming to you live from Key West, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. Yes, I am sipping on the world famous Mrs. International Stacker coffee, coming soon to a theater near you. But ladies and gentlemen, what an epic night it's been. We hit I'm gonna do retroactive alert right now. We hit a new all-time high of $84.63. But wait, there's more. On the Shanghai market, we hit an all-time high of $93.09 where it's sitting right now. But wait, there's more. Gold last night made an all-new high of $4,601.33. And boy, gold is looking bullish this morning. Silver is looking bullish this morning. Oh, I just did it. There we go. Is looking bullish this morning. But remember, guys, the only thing that goes up forever is the U.S. national debt. You don't believe me? Watch U.S. debt clock. Here we go. This thing goes up. It never stops going down. That's the one constant we have, we seem to have in life. So it could get choppy today. We could have some attacks. It could run to all new highs. We'll find out here shortly. We're going to start to see New York really start to trade between 8:15 to 8:30 is when it really kicks into high gear. And something tells me the volume down here is going to look quite different than it looks now. Good morning. I'm in Key West, Florida, sipping Mrs. International Stacker coffee. Where are you at in the world, and what are you sipping on? Please let me know. We've got both vertical and horizontal live stream going right now, but you're all in the same chat. It's a brand new feature from YouTube, so welcome if you're watching on a phone vertically or sideways or wherever you're watching from. What a great start to my birthday earlier today, waking up to an all-new high, all-time high, says Owen from Ireland. Happy birthday, Owen. Everyone, please, let's wish Owen a happy birthday. Channel subscriber and member, thank you for the support. Steve Forbes, thank you so much for subscribing. Yeah, there is very low volume. This is the volume down here. That's how many trades are going. Pretty low, but something tells me it's about to kick into high gear. Wow. We've got QuadMed in Oregon not sipping anything just yet, but soon, soon, soon. Texas still in bed for support radical habits. Love it. I've watched many YouTube videos laying in my bed, and it's pretty comfortable. I gotta say, it's pretty comfortable. Mississippian coffee for enough is enough. I saw, you guys, let's keep the politics out of chat. Politics out of chat, please. Keep the politics out of chat. This is about silver gold. Politics do matter. Geopolitics matter. We talk about it, but we stay apolitical on the channel. Thank you. But boy, what a wild day this is going to be. And guys, we are at 51,648 subscribers. That means only 52 more subscribers to the next big show. So make sure you subscribe. And guys, if you like free silver, if you like free gold, if you like free copper, make sure you are subscribed. Notifications on. The video is coming soon to enter the mega giveaway. I'm giving away over 17 ounces of this stuff right here, 999 fine silver. I'm giving away 5 or 7, I gotta check, maybe more than $5 face of 90% constitutional silver. A bunch of sweet copper like this guy right here that was donated by a channel member at the Fun Coin Show. I met 40 of you at the Fun Coin Show. You all got a I Caught the King Crab coin. Super epic, but what's going to be even more epic, this giveaway. So if you want free gold and silver, make sure you subscribe. Drop free in chat. Just put free in chat. Let me know if you like free silver and gold. And we've got Nimbus Poke Reel saying, bought 10 ounces today. Hopefully, I'm still not too late to add some more to the stack. That's awesome. Congratulations. Guys, are you buying? Are you holding? Let me know in chat. Are you buying or holding? I'm still buying. Again, at the Fun Coin Show, many of you saw, but I picked up 11 of these Engelhard vintage bars for about $1.40 over spot, something like that. I got to work out the final numbers for the video, but super cool stuff. So are you buying or are you selling? I'm still buying. And shout out to Brody, just gifted an International Stacker membership. Thank you so much. And that went to Jeffrey Say. Congratulations. Try those new custom channel member emojis. Say thank you to Brody. And ladies and gentlemen, we will be doing a war room today. And what happens in the war room stays in the war room. It is a member-only live stream. So that's going to be happening today. We will be doing a war room. Most likely end of the day will be the war room. Do you ever come to Chicago coin shows? Yes, Martin. I do come to, I go everywhere for coin shows. I've got some videos in Chicago as in a local coin shop there. I actually lived in Illinois for a little bit, 3 years or so. And guys and gals, we got about 32 minutes until we really see New York really start to trade. So that's going to be interesting to see what happens this morning. But if you're just joining, overnight, all new high of $84.63 on silver, all new high on Shanghai of $93.09. So let's look at that. So right now we're currently at 84.19. 84.19, guys. It looks like silver price crashed and we're literally over the all-time high as of yesterday. Okay. So yeah, it's so 93.84. We've got a $9 premium from the COMEX to the Asian markets. It's only going to be a matter of time before silver's loaded on planes, taken over here to make $9-ish an ounce premium on that. And again, gold made the all-time high of 46.01. It's currently at 45.90 with the pretty impressive, what I would like to call a stairway to heaven here formation. And gold to silver ratio is at 54.56 to 1. And if this keeps up, we're going to go lower. We've got all kinds of... Oh, I forgot to put out the post. Let me put it out right now. Guys, follow me on X, previously known as Twitter, at Intl-Stacker. Live right now on YouTube. Will silver go higher? Will the bankers attack? Find out with us live. Okay, I gotta put that up. Please, if you go retweet that, I'd appreciate that. But X, previously known as Twitter, Intl-Stacker. We're going to be looking at the silver futures volume and open interest from the COMEX group. Guys, look at this. We have taken solidly the second place right under gold for the top assets by market cap for public traded companies, precious metals, cryptocurrencies, and ETFs. And how this is calculated is even like overstating it, because the majority of silver ever mined is destroyed. It's in landfills. It's blown up across battlefields. It's discarded. Whereas the majority of gold ever mined is still above ground. It's in jewelry coins. So although we're in the second place market cap here, don't be fooled. We are in a structural major deficit for silver. The five last years. Okay, guys, we just took out our first target on silver. We just took out our first target right now of 84.24. So we're going to go ahead and bump that up. We're going for our next target right now with silver, guys. Wow. Here we go. We're about to take our next target of silver of 84.43. We just took out the next one. Ladies and gentlemen, are we going to go for an all new high right now? Oh my gosh. I got to get this out of the way. I got to put this up here. Okay, we'll put it right here. We just kissed 84.45. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Buckle up, ladies and gentlemen. Smash that like. We're headed for the next one right now. 84.54 is the next target. 84.54 is the next target, followed by 84.63. Drop those crabs in chat. Let's see what we can do here. Is gold's pushing our next target of 45.94. Gold is about to take out our next target as well. We got simultaneous action here, and we are just 3 cents away right now from our next target on silver. Wow. Let's go back to gold. Both of them are making a run as we speak. Guys, breaking news. I've got live footage from the COMEX. I'm piping it in right now.
Run.
Poor Mortimer is freaking out. We just took out the next target. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be in uncharted territory. Oh my gosh, what a way to start the morning. 8:03. Volume is dramatically increasing. Look at the volume down here, dramatically increasing. We're about to make an all new high, all new high, all new high, all new high, breaking 84.68 all-time high, 84.68 silver all-time high. Guys, are we going for 85? Are we literally going for 85? I'm gonna mark it here. Okay, I'm gonna pull the blue down here. The yellow is gonna be our next target of 85. We're gonna make it gold. Okay, we're 84.71 all-time high, 84.71 all-time high for silver. Let's see if gold is doing it. Okay, gold just took out our next target. Gold just took out our next target. Let me quickly pick another target here for gold. What are we at? 45.96. Our next target here is going to be right there. 45.98. And then 46.01 is the next target there. Wow. Oh my gosh, ladies and gentlemen, I cannot even keep up this morning. Smash that like button, share the stream. This is history in the making. Where were you on January 12th, 2026, when silver and gold both pushed to all new highs in tandem? Ladies and gentlemen, we just made another all new high. Another all new high. 84.79 on silver, 84.79. Guys, I'm already up $5 an ounce on the silver I bought this weekend. I'm already up $5 an ounce on the silver I bought this weekend. Oh my gosh. If you bought silver this weekend and you're up right now, put up in chat. Let me see how many of you there are. And guys, we got 800 people, but only 179 likes. Smash that like button. Help the stream. Help it to get out to more people. Subscribe. Big giveaway coming soon. Oh my gosh, guys. We keep inching up. We keep inching up. We're going for 85. I'm saying it right now. We're literally going for 85. Hold up. Let me see this. Hold up. Oh my gosh. I think we're going to do 85 live right now. Another all new high, 84. I can't even keep up. The all new high right now is 84.96. We're 4 cents from 85. 4 cents from $85 an ounce. Gold is headed for our next target of 45.98. Oh my gosh. Is 90 coming today? Riggedy in chat is saying 90 is coming today. If you guys think 90 is coming today, put 90 in chat. But we just hit an all new high of silver of 84.96. They said we were dumb. They said silver would never go over $20 again. And boy, are they wrong. Silver futures is the highest it's ever been. 84.07, but it's not high enough. We are in backwardation. So this purple is how we keep track. 84.07 was it? Yeah, it's how we keep track of the futures. So we are in backwardation. This is a backwardation alert. We're in backwardation by more than 60 cents-ish. That's where the silver futures price is cheaper than the current spot price, and that signals tightness in the physical silver market. Not talking LCSs or coin shops. I'm talking about the big bullion banks. And guys, are we going to break 85 here? We were literally just within 4 cents of 85, and we're going to start to see New York trade very heavy here in the next 24 minutes. Oh my gosh. And remember, Shanghai 93.09. In gold, we are just 40 cents away from our next target of 45.98. Let me go ahead and clip that. Guys, I'm just trying to keep up here. I'm just trying to keep up. As I take a sip of my coffee, I'm coming to you from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. The name's International Stacker. Where are you guys at in the world, and what are you sipping on? And are you excited this morning? Wow, that coffee is delicious. Yeah, and Chris in chat is saying TD Bank short position is in trouble. They just took out a massive short position for, I think, $40 an ounce. Yeah, if you've got some cash in TD Bank, yeah, you might be reevaluated. Okay, we just took out our next target with gold. Next target with gold is taken out. We are currently at 4,599. We are under $1 away from all new high in gold. So as silver's taking a momentary breather here, gold's about to hit it too. Okay, I got to put these next to each other. I usually don't do that. Here we go. We're about to make an all new high in gold. We're about to make an all new high in gold. Buckle up. I just gotta throw this up here. I'll throw it right there. All new high in gold. All new high on gold. Ladies and gentlemen, we are raging this morning. 4603, $4,603.68. All new high on gold. Let's check silver. Silver's about to make another all new high here. Guys, this is just insane. Who's going to do it first, gold or silver? I think it's going to be silver. Okay, all new high on silver. We broke $85 an ounce, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, 85.16, all new high on gold. Guys, share the stream. Smash like, all new high again on gold. All new high again on gold, 46.04. It is going absolutely crazy this morning. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a drill. This is going to be one of the most historic days we've ever seen in gold and silver. Mark my words. Look at that massive volume down here. Now, a word of caution, a word of warning. In the next probably 10 minutes or so, we're really going to see New York start to trade heavy. And when New York starts to trade heavy, are they going to launch an all-out attack? We're going to find out here shortly. But gold and silver both just made all new highs. And someone said so much for rebalancing. So keep in mind, guys, nothing goes straight up forever, and rebalancing is still occurring till the 16th. So we really got till the end of this week for rebalancing. So we could see some short-term pullbacks and tamp downs and consolidation, and you know, we could see that. So just keep that in the back of your mind. It is possible. But boy, are we on a bull run this morning. About to make another all new high with silver here. Whew. Guys, with all the geopolitical tensions, everything going on in the world, all new high again. All new high again. 85.21. Boom goes the dynamite. Who knows that meme? Who knows that meme? Boom goes the dynamite. Okay, and gold here is getting ready to make another all new high in gold here. Oh, we're about to make another all new high, all-time high in gold. It is literally kissing it. Wow. Okay, let's go back to silver. Guys, I can't keep up. Oh my gosh, we've issued about 500 alerts this morning. 1,000 people on the stream. We're only 40 likes from 300. Please, guys, hit, tap, smash, kick, caress that like. Do whatever you got to do. Helps the channel immensely. And don't forget, I'm giving away a bunch of silver and gold, some gold, bunch of copper soon. I'm going to the mailbox today to pick up packages, and I'm going to be giving it away to you guys. Over 17 ounces of 999, $5 face of Constitutional. So make sure you're subscribed, as we're about to make another all new high in gold and silver. Here we go. I'm taking a sip of coffee. And M. Petty in chat saying, I'm jumping up and down in my chair. Oops, I just broke it. He just broke. M. Petty just broke their chair. Jumping in it. Wow. We're about to make another all new high right now. We're cents away for gold. For another all-time high with gold. Silver, we just kissed the all-time high of 85.21. Okay, I'm going to do it. I'm going to mark 86. I'm just doing it, guys. I'm marking 86. I'm marking 86 on the chart. Wow. I'm going to bring up the floor to 84.50 so we could see it better. Here we go. There we go. All new high in gold, all new high in gold, all new high in gold. 46.05. We're headed for 46.10. That's our next target, 46.10. We're headed that way. All new high again. Guys, we're going for 46.10 right now. 46.06. Oh my goodness. What is going on? Guys, smash the like, share that stream. This is historic. Major bull movements in silver and gold. 85.21 high for silver, 46.07 for gold. I've got all kinds of news and stuff I want to cover for you, but I can't because the charts are going crazy. And Dave Delaney just celebrated by gifting a 1 International Stacker membership. It went to Brandon. Brandon, congratulations. You got a free membership from Dave Delaney. Say thank you to Dave. Check out those new custom channel member emojis. All new high on gold is $4,607. All new high on silver is $85.21. Literally both metals pushing at the same time. How high are we going today? Guys, I'm slamming the desk. I am abusing the desk right now. Things are going so crazy. Here we go. All new high again on gold. 46.08. We're going higher. We're going to the next target. We're about to take out the next target of 46.10. We're at 46.09. All new high on silver. All new high on silver. Oh my gosh. 85.35 on silver. Oh my gosh, ladies and gentlemen, smash that like button. We're 59 likes away from 400. We got 1,000 people on the stream. I know you can do it. Not only does it help the channel, but you're literally like the gold and silver Paul Revere, right in the streets of the internet, warning that the big bankers are coming. By liking a video or sharing a stream, literally other people find it and they become stackers. I got a question for you. If you got into gold and silver because you found a random YouTube video, please put in capital YouTube in chat, all capital. And guys, gals, crustaceans, as you see those capitalized YouTubes hitting in chat right now, remember, by just hitting the like, sharing a stream on any content, but most specifically this video here this morning, it can help to wake other people up and help them to protect themselves, as we're about to make another all-new high on silver and gold imminently. Look at all those YouTubes and chats, guys. Breaking news, breaking news. I've got a live feed coming in right now from the COMEX. I'm piping it in. Poor Mortimer is definitely having chest pain. Woo! We're about to make another all-new high with silver. Remember, 85.35 is the current one. Let's see gold. Gold all-time high is now 46.09. Remember, Shanghai closed. Okay, Shanghai's back open and cranking. $93.68 in Shanghai. $93.68 in Shanghai. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Brandon, try out those new custom channel member emojis. You're going to love them. Guys, I have so much to talk about, but I can't. I'm glued to these charts. Let's see the futures. Oh my gosh. All new high silver futures, 84.91. Where is it down here? 84.91. That's the highest silver futures has ever been. Guys, all-time high, all new high on silver. 85.43. All new high on gold. We broke our target of 46.10. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're just going to 46.15. I don't even have time to do Fibonacci or anything on this. Wow. I'm gonna lose my voice. I'm gonna lose my voice. Oh my gosh. You guys, we may trip a circuit breaker. How much percent are we up? Keith Peavy House with the $2 super chat. Thank you so much, my friend. Channel member saying, I think the AI Asian guy just had a heart attack. Yeah, could have. Oh my gosh, guys, all-time high, 85.46. Okay, what was I just gonna do? I was just gonna do something and I spaced it. Hold up. What was I gonna do? Yeah, there's gaps. Well, I think we closed the gaps last night. I sabotaged all the bankers this morning, says SoFlo Stacking. What's up, SoFlo? SoFlo Stacking is our insurgent. He's the 007 crab of the Crustacean Nation. SoFlo Stacking, please, SoFlo, I need you to go into the COMEX right now, infiltrate it, and then put infiltrated in chat and let me know when you're ready for me to pipe in the live feed. Go place the device in the COMEX and let me know when I'm ready to pipe. You're ready for me to pipe in the live feed. I'm going to pipe it in. 85.46 all-time high silver. Gold all-time high was 46.10 just this morning, just now. And Shanghai is ripping. Look at Shanghai. For the first time ever, $94.60 in Shanghai. Oh my goodness. Becky, look at that candle. Okay. Let's see, where's SoFlo at? Where's SoFlo at? SoFlo is, okay, SoFlo is piping it in. He's infiltrated. He placed the device. I'm piping in the footage live from the COMEX right now.
We're ruined.
Poor Mortimer, all new high on silver. Here we go. Here we go. Guys, this is historic. I don't know how any other way to say it. 85.51 silver, 46.10 gold. Smash that like button, share the stream. Let's go. Oh my gosh, guys. And we are literally only 38 subscribers away from the next big show. If you want to see the big show at 51,700, smash that like button. Okay, I'm going to try to get Master Stacker live. Hold up. I'm going to try to get Master Stacker live. 1 second. 1 second. One second. Okay, I've got Master Stacker here on speakerphone. Master Stacker, we just made 2 all-new highs. Silver just broke $85.51, and it just went even higher. Gold just broke $4,610. How are you feeling right now, Master Stacker?
How can I feel anything but bullish?
All new high again, Master Stacker. We just went to 85.56. Are you doing the silver dance live in your hotel room right now?
We're going to 90. We're going to 90. I can feel it.
Are we go right now today? You think it's today, Master Stacker?
I think we're going to get there. We're going to get to 90.
Guys, if you think we're going to 90 today, put 90 in chat. So Master Stacker is visiting me right now in Key West. I'm supposed to pick him up at 9 a.m. Master Stacker, I might be a little late.
That's all right. It's for a good cause.
All right, Master Stacker, thank you. I'm going to hit you up here in a little bit. But we just made another all-new high in silver, $85.56. I'll catch up with you soon, Master Stacker.
Sounds good.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Master Stacker live. Wow. Wow. Just think of all the people who've not woken up yet in California, in Oregon, in Colorado. Think of everyone who's asleep. I'm still a little apprehensive, guys. I'm still a little apprehensive because remember, New York is really starting to trade now. We're going to see here in the next 9 minutes what it's going to look like. But even if we got smashed back down to 80 today, even if that happened, first off, that was the all-time high just a handful of days ago. Secondly, we just laid the groundwork and just made these all new highs. You can't undo that, okay? So remember, nothing goes straight up forever, but Master Stacker is extremely bullish. He says we're going for 90 today. It very well could happen. Let's see what happens here in the next 9 minutes. The next 9 minutes we'll know more. Because around 8:30 is usually when you really see New York kick into high gear. Wow, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, Jim Watery in chat with the smacking me with the $50 super chat. Oh my gosh. The Goblin is happy. He wants to give away silver, saying you guys get breakfast burritos on me. Thank you so much, Jim Watery. Master Stacker and I are definitely gonna get breakfast burritos. Maybe we should put some gold leaf on. You guys know the edible gold leaf? Should we get breakfast burritos and spread gold leaf on top of it? That's the question. Thank you so much for that. That was mega. We do love breakfast burritos. Wow. Wow. I have insider intel that says Slammy McSlammers is going to make an attempt as Master Stacker eats breakfast. It's possible, SoFlo Stacking. Guys, smash that like button, show the stream. We're only 49 likes away from 500. It really helps the channel. It helps more people find out about gold and silver, start stacking. We're 7 minutes away from 8:30. Silver futures for the first time ever, 85.18. Guys, I need to breathe. 85.18. Right there. Wow. I'm moving the base floor from 84.50 to 85 for silver as we continue to go up. Oh my gosh. Have you heard the Noah's Ark series of coins? If so, would you buy them? It is currently the cheapest silver on my preferred dealer site. Oh, and if it's the cheapest coin, go for it. Not a financial advisor. I let the deals dictate my buys. And if it's the actual Noah's Ark coin, that's legal tender for, not Austria. Guys, where's the Noah's Ark coin legal tender for? I can't, it's like Austria or something. I can't quite remember. But yeah, if it's a great deal, you can't go wrong. Great coin. Is it Austria? No. What is it? Where's Noah's Ark out of? It's on the tip of my tongue. Armenian. Thank you. Armenia. Thank you, thank you, thank you. No, it's a great coin. If you get a good deal on it, in normal times, that carries a decent premium on that coin. All new high for gold. All new high for gold. Wow. 4,611 on gold. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, breaking news. Breaking news. Callus Trope is asking for the live feed from the COMEX. Here it is. Poor Mortimer. Poor old Mortimer. Look at this volume increase. Look at this. Look at this. It's like a cliff. Egbert Boot Whistle with the $2 super chat. Thank you so much for making it rain on the Goblin. Really appreciate that. And what Egbert Boot Whistle is saying, went to the LCS on Saturday, got 10 ounces of silver for $8.50. Congratulations. That's mega. Hey, Silver Husky in the chat. Good to see you, my friend. Silver Husky, we just made an all-new high of silver, 85.56. All-new high on gold, 4,611. Oh my gosh. Becky, look at that candle. Lion Dogface Pony Soldier donating a 1 channel membership. Thank you so much to Silver Sticks. Silver Sticks, congratulations. Try out your new custom member only emojis. And guys, remember, channel members get access to the channel member only live streams in the War Room. What happens in the War Room stays in the War Room. I will be doing an evening stream tonight. We'll do the War Room this evening after the evening stream. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to do market. Okay, what would you guys rather have end of day? Would you rather have market close, which is probably going to be 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time? Or would you rather have when the Asian markets open at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time? Let me know. Put 8 or 5 in chat. And Big Green Sacker saying, Saturday I got 1/10 ounce of gold, British Britannia, and 2 ounces of silver. Congratulations, Big Green. You're already up. You're already up. I think the Asian market might be more explosive personally. I think the Asian market stream might be a lot more fun for us. Right now, 84.64 is it? Let me look here. This is the Asian market right here I've been able to get. I just signed an agreement to get this chart for you guys, by the way. $94.62. Let's go like here. Okay, guys, 3 minutes away from 8:30 a.m. And we got selling pressure on gold and silver. Is this Slammy McSlammerson? Even if we got slammed down to 80, you cannot undo what just happened, ladies and gentlemen. Extremely bullish. And remember, nothing goes straight up forever. We should expect short-term pullbacks, tamp downs, consolidation to move higher. And remember, the whole rebalancing drama that people were saying, it's going to crash the market 50%. And I made a video to push back on that and help you guys read the tea leaves. That is short-term bearish, so there could be some sells this week that could have some temporary road bumps and speed bumps to the price of silver and gold. But My target of triple-digit silver in the first quarter of 2026, I believe, is coming sooner rather than later. It's going to be bumpy along the way. You're going to need some intestinal fortitude. Remember, not a financial advisor. We might get bumps, we might get bruises, but ultimately, I believe we are going to be celebrating in the gold and silver castles. Okay, Coins Making Sense says picked up an $18.49 $1 gold piece at the fun show. First year of the $1 gold piece. Awesome. Coins Making Sense. Did I meet you there? Did we miss each other? Did I meet you there? I met over 40 subscribers, guys, at the fun coin show. It was crazy. TS Day saying not gonna like IS. I've sold half my paper possession on SIL today. Still buying the next dip. Hey, TS Day, you do whatever you got to do. Congratulations on selling that, especially on the paper market and taking some profits out. Look into physical gold and silver, my friend, if you don't have it yet. Look into it. But please be careful, guys, trading. If you're trading the paper market, again, not a financial advisor, for the love of God, do not get leveraged, because the bankers are pushing back and they're going to continue to push back, and you don't want to get caught in the mix, and they will destroy you and not even blink an eye. Big shout out to Oli Anacree. Just got the Diamond Clouds membership. Thank you so much. That is mega. You got Diamond Clouds. Oh, you couldn't find me at the show. Bummer. Coins Making Sense. Next time. Next time, my friend. And here we are at 8:30, and we're seeing some downward pressure, just as I was suspecting. But it's okay. Don't get disheartened. Stay the course. Big Green Candle, or Big Green Stacker saying, Big Green Candle, we've been seeing a lot of those. Big Green Stacker saying, what do you mean by leveraged? In the paper market, specifically if you're on the COMEX, you only have to put up, what is it now? $35,700 or something like that to trade 5,000 ounces of silver, or gold is 100 ounces. So you only have to put up a small portion of the position. But if you lose the position, you've got to pay for all 5,000 ounces. There's also lots of different bets you can do, or things you can do on the market and different ETFs and stuff that are leveraged, like shorting. That is leveraged. So if you lose like 5x the money you put in. You can get margin called. It can destroy you in a second. That's what I mean by getting leveraged. Yeah, Okie Stacker, I probably will be at the Summer Fun Show. I probably will be. But for everyone just joining, we hit an all-new high of silver, $85.56. All-new high of gold, $4,611. The New York started trading here. You can see these red bars. New York started the big trade volume, but we're answering back on the third candle here, green. For both gold and silver, futures is the highest it's ever been, $85.45. Oh, we're out of backwardation, guys. $85.45 on futures. Currently, Asian market is at $94.85. $94.85 the Asian markets. Gold to silver ratio plummeted. We are down to 53.98 to 1. That means it takes 53.98 ounces of silver to equal 1 ounce of gold. Okay, let's refresh this. Let's see what's going on over here. Roadkill. Shout out to Roadkill. We all hope it will, says Wit. Crawford says, watching you again, seems like yesterday. We're going to blown away at 70. I'm thinking 90 is coming. Do you guys agree with Crawford L? Put 90 if you think we're making 90 today. And thank you, Colts, for retweeting that out. And thank you to Roadkill as well, saying, let's go. Okay, let's go here. Let's see what people are saying. Let's check here real quick. Okay, we're still consolidating. We're consolidating. We're building for the next launch pad. Wow, it's 4,042 right now for a kilogram of silver in the UK, says Dropping Zombies. That is crazy, Dropping Zombies. Spot silver, 85, says Rashid. Wall Street Gold saying silver futures just exploded to 85.25 up. Okay, this is what we got to look at, guys. What are the circuit breakers for the COMEX precious metals. Because their circuit breakers they will pause trading. Okay. So if we go plus or minus 10% in a rolling 60-minute block. So let's see here. What have we done? Silver, we've done 6.87%. Gold, we've done 2%. So guys, we are just 3.2% away from a circuit breaker triggering in the COMEX. What does that mean? They have it in the stock market as well. That basically means if we get plus or minus 10% in volatility within a 30 or 60-minute rolling block, they will pause trading. They will pause the trading for 2 minutes, a 2-minute halt, and then it usually escalates. Let's see here. Let's go to the COMEX themselves. Let's see their circuit breakers. You guys, you know it's a crazy day. You know it's a crazy day when we're researching circuit breakers. Okay, so here we go. So overnight, they have 7% price limit overnight. If markets reach 7% up or down during the overnight session, they remain open but can only trade up to those price limits. Ooh, they cap it. Further, dynamic circuit breakers are in effect with a width of 3.5. If a contract moves beyond 3.5% within an hour during overnight session. Okay, here's the daytime. Daytime trading employs market-wide circuit breakers, a kind of price limit that halts trading for a period of time to help the market reset. CME Group U.S. equity future markets are coordinated within stock market breakers at 7, 13, and 20%. 7 and 13% circuit breakers are each followed by 10-minute trading halts. Guys, I'm going to put this out. I think we're going to see a circuit breaker here shortly. Yeah, we're at 6.86%. I'm going to put it out. Guys, I need you to retweet this. Alert. Is a circuit breaker about to be triggered by the COMEX due to silver raging past 85 this morning, up nearly 7% from the COMEX. Okay, from the COMEX, then I'm going to put quotes here. Bloop, bloop. I'm going to put this down. I need you guys to retweet this if you can. Please retweet that if you can. And that needs to get out to more people. I think we're about to see a trigger breaker a circuit breaker get triggered. You heard it first here live. You heard it here first live. I believe momentarily we're going to, unless we get a major pullback right now, if this continues to build, I believe we're about to see a circuit breaker get triggered. Wow. Yeah, it's per hour, not per day. 100%. It's per hour. Okay. Let's see if anyone else is talking about it. All eyes are on silver, says Nostra House of Gold. Totally, yeah. Totally agree. $93 silver. You guys, that's not conspiracy. It's truth. Right now, 94.85 in Shanghai. 94.85. That's crazy. Yeah, a bunch of shorts just got taken out, guys. Someone else who was short silver just got blown away. 84 is here. 85's here now. Guys, we are coiling. Look at this. This is actually bullish. We're coiling to make another run. If we could break out of this little micro bull flag formation, we should make an all-time high again shortly. As long as it breaks above this line here. Gold's got a very similar formation here. Second. Uno momento. Okay. So gold and silver both look like the flag on Super Mario Brothers. If you guys know that reference. Gold to silver ratio, 53.96 to 1. Just in, gold futures rise above 4,600 for the first time in history. What a wild time to be alive, says Jesse Cohen. Eric Young talking about Fed Jerome Powell. Jerome Powell just got indicted. Federal Reserve Chairman. That's going to be fireworks. Warning, something just broke, says No Limit. Just Dario saying, are we doing this again? Pinning down silver to the... Yeah, it didn't work last week, and look at us now. China silver on the Shanghai Futures Exchange just ripped to 92. That was 12.7. Well, it's higher than that. Let's go here. Let's go here. Thank you, everybody, for retweeting that tweet. Thank you so much, Dean. Thank you, everybody. There was a breaker hit this morning in Shanghai. Thank you, Atoning Phoenix. I missed that. Thank you. $85 an ounce, says SoFlo Stacking. Agent 007 Crab. Okay. Here's what I think we need to do, guys. Is remote viewer on? Remote viewer, if you're on, if you can give us an update, please, of the Canadian market, silver in Canada. What's your prediction for silver by the end of this year? I don't know, Martin Harris. I got to think about that. I don't know. I got called crazy when I said $75 an ounce in 2025. We got 1,500 people on, guys, but only 541 likes. This is a historic day. More people need to watch this. More people can be woken up and start to prepare. Can literally protect themselves and their families. Please hit the like button. Please share the stream. That helps immensely. And ladies and gentlemen, please subscribe. Why do we stack this stuff right here? Physical silver. Why do we stack this stuff right here? This is an actual gold nugget, physical gold. It's because all throughout history, financial advisors, the experts, big banks, governments literally tell their citizens every day to save this stuff for your retirement. It's going to help you. And as I whip out this big fat stack of Vietnam dong, I want to remind you, all throughout history, the same thing has repeated. Paper fiat currency, not backed by silver and gold, has always eventually gone to zero. It got so bad in Zimbabwe, they went to $1 million notes. It got so bad, then they went to $1 billion notes, and eventually $1 trillion notes. And here's the disgusting thing. This one silver coin right here from Venezuela, about the size of a silver dollar, from 1936 today, is worth way more paper currency than all this combined. All this literally went to zero. It's all literally worthless. It's just now stage props. That's all it is. That's why we stack physical silver. That's why we stack physical gold. And if you want free silver or gold or even copper, put free in chat. Put free in chat if you want it. Okay, silver now. Nova's saying silver is $118.53 in Canada. Wow. And Dropping Zombie saying it's $128 an ounce in the UK. This is crazy. Sofo Stacking saying if we hit the price target of 86.12, then you have to do your new baby gator call. Okay, we're gonna mark it, guys. 86.12. 86.12 gets us a baby gator. I mean, I'm wondering if we need to do a baby gator now. Should we just do it now? What do you guys think? Should we do a baby gator call right now to help silver? What do you think? Check the gold price. Oh, we hit an all new high in gold when we weren't paying attention. All new high in gold. Okay, do you guys see how that worked? When we broke above this blue line decisively, all new high of 46.13. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Thank you to Julian Haas. Thank you for the $1.99 super chat. Powell indictment leads to auditing the Fed and gold. It very well could be. That could be where going to Fort Knox comes into play. Honestly, it really could be. That's a good point. All right. How do you get free gold and silver? I'm giving away over 17 ounces of 999 fine silver, $5 face, 90% constitutional, maybe more. Sprinkling in some gold like Salt Bay and a bunch of copper. Going to the post office soon to pick up some shipments and make the video for y'all for the giveaway. So that's coming soon. You got to be subscribed, turn on those notifications if you want free silver and gold. Guys, I'm going to do it right now. I think silver needs a little bit of help here to make another all-new high. It is time right now for the baby gator. Okay, I'm gonna try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? Yeah. I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there. That was just a couple weeks ago in Boca Raton. I was doing the baby gator. You guys told me to do it. Lion Dogface Pony Soldier, $2 super chat saying, please explain the breaker invoked in Shanghai today. Okay, well, I just saw the tweet, so I don't know the details, but here's what I'll tell you. In any market, even the stock market, they've got things called circuit breakers. So if there's a lot of volatility in a market, usually it's like 7, 10, 12, 15%, whatever. It's all over the world that the exchanges and markets do this. If there's volatility one way or another, up or down in that percentage range, they'll stop trading. They will stop the market for sometimes 2 minutes, sometimes 10 minutes, just depends on the market and what it is and when which breaker gets triggered. And every time that happens, they will pause trading for that amount of time. And when they pause trading, nothing happens. And they do that to like let the market get a breather because of the volatility. So we got dangerously close to a breaker. We got to 6.6%. But it's within the last 60 minutes. So this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So for the time being, because we're consolidating, we're safe from the circuit breaker, but it is definitely on the table today. Okay, let's go back here. Let's check X, previously known as Twitter. Follow me at Intl-Stacker. DDFW, thank you so much. International Stacker live today. Okay, let's go back to here. On ATMEX, Bullion Star bars are well above $90. Okay, guys, let's check ATMEX. Wow, 85.84 on ATMEX, and we're 85.16. 85.84. Should we do a live chat and ask them how long for silver to get delivered? Let's look at SD Bullion. 85.85. Okay, so let's do this. Let's look at American Silver Eagle on here. Let's see the cheapest American Silver Eagle. $96.91. This price is only if you buy 100 or more. $96.91 for SD Bullion. Let's check ATMEX. American Eagles. $97.92. And here's my trick. If you ever want to find out how much they have left in stock at this price, you just put here like 99999. Oh, it's letting me. So they've got over 10,000 Eagles. It doesn't go any higher than that. If there was like 159 left, it would change 9999 to 159. Let's go. Guys, I don't even know if Mrs. International Stacker knows what's going on. She's out in the living room right now. She might have heard me. Oh my goodness. We were at 51,692 subscribers. 8 more subscribers until the next big show. If you want to see a big show or if you want a chance to win some of the silver and gold I'm giving away soon, the Ga Goblin took it and he's going to give it to you in what's called the Mega Ga. The Ga Goblin. Make sure you subscribe, turn on those notifications. Dropping zombies. I got to go pick up Master Stacker in a little bit, and where you got a bunch of content and stuff planned to make. So I'm going to go for a bit longer, but I'm going to be live this evening for the Asian markets. I think it's going to be quite explosive. Remember, guys, Shanghai, they're at $94.85 high for silver. That's crazy. Brian's asking, how do you score free membership? So basically what happens, Brian, is I can't give them away. Just somebody buys a membership. It's called gifting memberships, and they gift it, and then the YouTube bot automatically picks who gets them. So I've got no control over it. So it's the luck of the draw. So what do you got to do to get a free membership? You just have to be in the chat when somebody gifts a membership and it might come to you. And ladies and gentlemen, we did it. Okay, I'm going to refresh this. And if this goes to 51,700, we're going to do a big show. Channel members, you know what to do. We did it, 51,700. Thank you so much. It's time for the big show.
To the 4th annual Crystal Light National Aerobic
Channel members, you know what to
Regional
do.
finalists from all across the United States.
Channel
competing
members,
for the
you know
title
what to
of
do.
America's
4
best
times.
aerobic athlete, presenting the reigning 1987 Crystal Light National Aerobic Champions.
Introducing the 4-time Crystal
York.
Light 4-time
Champion.
International Stacker.
Scott Cole.
Thank you so much, guys. The name's International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. Where are you at in the world? What are you sipping on? I'm sipping on Mrs. International Stacker's coffee. It's world famous. And Keith Peavyhouse just gifted a channel membership, and that went to Father Christmas. Congratulations, you just got a free channel membership. Make sure to check out those new custom channel member emojis. And guys, this evening's live stream, we will be going to the live room live this evening for channel members. What happens in the war room stays in the war room. Wow, and Lion Dogface Pony Soldier just gifted a membership. And that went to Silver Oceans. Good to see you, Silver Oceans, and congratulations. Make sure you say thank you to Lion Dogface Pony Soldier. Thank you guys so much. Congratulations. And Robert Wolry, channel member for 17 months, is saying, get your claws up, guys. Do you have diamond claws? Let us know in chat, channel members. Do you have diamond claws? Jimmy Reefer is saying, they said I was dumb for buying at 50. They said I was dumb for holding at 60. They said I was dumb for buying at 70. They said I was dumb for holding at 80. Who's the dummy now, says Jimmy in chat. Love that, Jimmy. Love that. Wow, and Jeff Stout just gifted a free membership, and that went to Brandon Wallace. Congratulations. Say thank you to Jeff. Check out those new custom channel member emojis. And all channel members, new and old, I will be seeing you this evening after the live stream this evening. We will be going to the war room. What happens in the war room stays in the war room. Oh my gosh! You guys are literally making it rain! You're making it rain! This pleases the Goblin. Barcoded Droid just gifted a free membership. Thank you so much to 20. You got it. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. Say thank you to Barcoded Droid. Thank you so much. And Egbert Boot Whistle saying, are there a lot of chickens in Key West? They free? Dude, there's chickens everywhere. And no joke, they actually use the crosswalks. It's the most wildest thing you ever seen. I mean, they walk across the streets and stuff. They walk everywhere. But like, they seem to really use the crosswalks. And they're good looking chickens, I must say. SoFlo Stack and member for a month. Thank you, SoFlo, for being a member for a month. That's awesome. Truth or Nothing with the $2 super chat. Thank you so much, Truth or Nothing. Guys, we're coiling here. And once we break out of this little bull flag formation, we should see some explosive movement up. They tried to tamp us down on opening. Look at this. Let me pull this up a little bit. I want to show you the volume. Look at that volume on U.S. markets getting engaged. They tried to sell it down, but something magical is happening this morning in silver and gold. Oh, we're breaking out on gold. All new high on gold. Here we go again. 4,617 on gold. This is not a drill. This is not a drill. Ladies and gentlemen, we keep making all new highs. Wow. $4,618. Guys, smash that like button if you're excited. 70 likes to 800. We can do it. 1,500 people in the stream. Wow, wow, wow. Shanghai's 94.85. Oh, I wanted to retweet that. Just Dario put out this tweet. I wanted to retweet that. Look, it's the battle between paper, physical, silver. I love that. Let's go here. Let's go here. Let's make sure. Crawford L. 85.27. Love that, Crawford. Thank you. Let's go back here. Okay, this song is not cutting it. I'm changing the song. There we go. This is my analytical song. Check the price of a gold buffalo at SD Bullion. Well, let's see. I happen to have... Okay, let's go to SD Bullion. Wow, truth or nothing. It just literally made it rain on the Goblin. Thank you so much, and gifted a free membership. And that went to Ashley Woolboy. Congratulations, you just got a free membership. Say thank you to Truth or Nothing. Check out those new custom channel member emojis. Emojis. And I'll be seeing you in the War Room tonight. Member-only live streams in the War Room on YouTube. What happens in the War Room stays in the War Room. And a big thank you to Bill Mitch for that $4.99 super chat. Really appreciate that. Thank you so much, and for being a channel member. And I love the I love your He-Man avatar. Okay, so the price of a gold eagle. Wow. So the current gold spot price, all new high again on gold. All new high again on gold. So the current gold spot price is $46.18. A gold eagle currently, random year, is $48.18 for one. 4,000. It's nearly $5,000. Wow, and thank you so much, Okie Stacker, channel member, for the $5 super chat, saying appreciate your channel. Look forward to seeing it after call weekend. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's gonna be okay. Silver, all new high. What did I say when we broke out of that bull flag? It was gonna move decisively. Here we go. Buckle up, ladies and gentlemen. $85.64. Mrs. IS, you need to do the silver dance. Oh my gosh. All new high on gold. Here we go again. Are we going to circuit breaker territory? That's the question. All new high again on silver. All new high. Guys, I'm trying to keep up on everything. Thank you so much for the super chats and all the new members. It helps the channel immensely. Helps me grow, helps me do what I do, traveling the world with you on gold and silver ventures. Giving back, I gave away over 100 ounces of silver last year, some gold and some copper. But you can support the channel even without spending a dime. You can simply like the stream, share the stream. It all helps. I appreciate it all truly. And a big shout out and thank you to all the channel members. Really appreciate you all in the support. We're at $94.85 on Shanghai. Gold to silver ratio is 54.06 to 1. Barbara was a big winner. Guys, if you won silver or gold on my channel in 2025, put winner in chat. Barbara just dropped winner in chat. She won a 10-ounce Panda Lunar Moon Festival coin in an NGC, or it's actually a metal in an NGC slab. That thing's pretty mega. She also recently picked up a Sigma Metalytics Verifier Pro. Barbara, make sure you email me with that question. I've got a new one coming in with the big 100-ounce bar reader. I had to get a new set because they got to be matching pair. Will Life Cycling saying, let's go. Mr. Happy Stacker's dropping the diamond claws. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Big thank you to Alia. Just became a channel member. You are now a Crab Cadet. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the channel member only live stream in the War Room later this evening on YouTube. What happens in the War Room stays in the War Room. Guys, I will be covering the Asian Market Open. Do you want me to have Master Stacker as my co-host? The first time of having a co-host ever on the live stream. Do you guys want me to have Master Stacker in person tonight as a co-host? I can do it. He's visiting me here in Key West. Let me know if you guys want that. 94.85 currently on the Asian markets. Silver futures just ripped to 85.55. Let's check what futures is currently right now. Okay, everyone wants it. We'll do it. I'll get Master Stacker in here live. Silver is busting loose, says Nostra House of Gold. Good morning, America, says Speeder Spinna. Fresh record high, silver over 85, gold over 86. The global rush into precious metals is turning into a stampede, and I don't even think we're to the stampede yet. Watch your guru. And guys, watch this. Literally, the news was trying to tell you that silver was going to crash with the rebalancing. Literally, they were telling you it was going down. And we're about to hit another all-time high here. 85.70 is our current all-time high. Okay, I need to switch this song. I need high-paced songs right now. I need to get hype. No, not that one. That's a good one. It's a crab stampede. The one stampede that is happening is the growth of the crustacean nation. Guys, thank you so much for subscribing. Turn on those notifications. If you think you're subscribed, look and make sure you are. YouTube will unsubscribe you from different YouTube channels to see if you resubscribe. It's a stupid quality check thing they do. 4,200 a kilogram for silver in the UK. Oh my gosh, dropping zombie. That's crazy. Someone's asking, what would the Asian AI guy do? That's funny. Wow. Here we go, folks. A smart silver stacker, $100 silver price and 5,000 gold price are on the horizon. I truly believe that. Guys, my calls for 2025, if you're new to my channel, I said $50 silver and $4,000 gold when it wasn't popular. I got major pushback. I got called a pumper. Some people unsubscribed. They said I was ridiculous. We blew past that in October, so then I revised my targets to $75 silver. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, just some guy on the internet with crabs. But I revised that to $75 silver, $5,000 gold in October. I was again told I was crazy. We blew past 75 in the Christmas Miracle Rally on December the 26th. And now we're at $85 silver. And I said if we hit 75, that I believed in the first quarter of 2026, the first 3 months, we'd break triple digits for the first time nominally ever. And we are literally on the precipice of doing that, probably within January, probably within the next week or two. But we're on the precipice of that happening. We did not hit $5,000 gold, but I believe $5,000 gold is on the table here imminently. As we take a little bit of a breather here in the market. Remember, nothing goes straight up forever, except the U.S. national debt, unfortunately. Hey, who's happy I fixed my mic? Do you guys remember when my mic kept cutting out? You guys remember that little moment in stream history? We got that thing fixed. Silver futures is 85.31. Let me refresh this. I'm trying to find you guys some just breaking news and stuff that's going on. Let's go back to here. Let's see who's tweeting at me. Crawford saying, my spidey senses are tingling big time. I think we will see it touch 90 today. Guys, do you agree with Crawford L? Do you think silver is going to hit 90 today? If so, put cross, C-R-A-W in chat if you agree with Crawford L. Let me refresh that. Let's go back to this chart. And remember, gold all-time high is now at 46.20, 45. Silver's 85.73. Solar Drew saying, can you take a poll? Yeah. I'm going to take a poll right now. One second, guys. I'm writing a poll. One second. Okay. One second. 1 second. Uno momento out in this. Okay, almost done, almost done. Okay, I just started a poll on how you're invested into gold and silver. Physical only, paper only, a mixture of both, but more bullish one way or the other. That's going to be great to see what we got in this chat. 1,600 people in the chat, guys. 800 likes. Only 200 more until 1,000 likes. I think we can hit it with everyone that's on the stream right now. Please hit it, smash it, tap it, headbutt it, do whatever you got to do. And ladies and gentlemen, we are just, what is that? 76 subscribers away from 51,800, and we will do a big show if we hit that. And talking about big show, here comes Slammy McSlammerson. Here comes Slammy McSlammerson. Look at that big red candle. The bankers are fighting back. Massive red candles on silver and gold. Yes, Floyd Lawton, I did talk about it. Floyd's asking if I talked about silver beating NVIDIA on the market cap. I did, but I'll bring it back up. Top assets by market cap, public companies, precious metals, cryptocurrencies, ETFs. We blasted by NVIDIA, and we are now, let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8, $313 billion in market cap ahead of NVIDIA. Although this is based on all the silver ever mined. Remember, the majority of silver ever mined has been destroyed. But it's still fun. Guys, they're fighting. Look at that. Big red candle. Okay, guys, I'm going to fight back right now against the big bankers. The only way I know how that's actually effective. Baby gator call. Okay, I'm going to try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? Yeah. I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there. And guys, hypothetically, say the market closes at $84.59. You're going to see articles that silver crashes from 85.73 to 84.59. Meanwhile, 84.59 is the all-time high from just like 3 hours ago. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens. But guys, I did a baby gator call, and now the next candle is green. I think it scientifically may actually be working. What do you think? Let's go. Okay, I'm going to be right back. I'm going to Raptor run to fill up my coffee. I got to fill up my coffee. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Someone time me. I'm back. I got more coffee. I told Mrs. IS silver was over 85 and she was... I'm not gonna lie, guys. I told Mrs. IS it was over 85 and she started to do the silver dance. She literally started to do the silver dance. Wow. Okay, we're seeing a fight, guys. We are seeing a fight right now for this candle. We've got 2 minutes and 4 seconds left in this candle. It could go either way. Is it going to be red or green? Are you team red or are you team green? Let me know. 2 minutes or minute 55 now. Is this going to be a red or green candle? Let me know in chat. Let me know. Okay, I'm grabbing this. Guys, I am taking my vitamins live on air. I got to stay alive. So I'm taking a vitamin. My allergies are going crazy right now, so I'm taking a Zyrtec. And I'm taking this supplement here that helps my claws and my shell keep its strength. There we go. There we go. It's all vitamins. Don't panic. Well, except for the Zyrtec. That's not a vitamin. Guys, even if silver gets smashed down to 80, even if it got smashed down to 78, it would still be an extremely bullish day. They're fighting right now. Two big red candles. There are literally millions upon millions of paper ounces being traded right now. This day on December 29th, they traded nearly 1.4 billion paper ounces. This is like 900 million. So they know how to fight, and they fight dirty. Okay, we got 25 seconds left in this candle. It looks like Team Red might be victorious. Let's see. Guys, we're 34 likes away from 900. Can we do it? Please smash that like button. It helps the channel so much. Helps wake up people so much. Let's see here. And we're 66 subscribers away from the next big show. That would be 51,800. And then we'll do a big show. Okay, Team Red takes it. We got 5 more minutes on this candle. Are you Team Red or Team Green? Let us know. Let's see. So it's probably going to be a morning smackdown and then an afternoon rally. We might continue to see the smackdown for some. Wow, guys. All new high in Asian markets. All-time high Asian markets, $95.39. As they're trying to smack down gold and silver right now, literally the Asian markets are making all new highs. They're trying, guys, but something tells me they're not going to be successful. Look at this roadkill. Just a little bit of what I keep at home. Guys, look at roadkill. That's epic. Love it, roadkill. Roadkill, I did not find that booth. I'm sorry. I was running everywhere getting interviews, meeting crustaceans. Stitches says gold target around 4768-ish. Possible false breakout. Silver target is 1157-ish. Daily RSI is concerning. Possible last FOMO push before a quick deep correction. Break in RSI again and hitting at 111. Economy's too screwed to determine rational targets. 96, 90, 25 tomorrow saying Stitches. Yeah, guys, a lot of the RSI and all that, it might not be very relevant. And that's what tells you if a stock or commodity is overbought or oversold or underbought. Okay. I believe we're in a true situation here where it's actual true price discovery, which throws RSI out the window. But it's good to look at everything. But even with that being said, Stitches here just tweeted me on Twitter is saying that they think tomorrow we could be at 96.25-ish. Oh, look at that Australian wedge-tailed eagle. I have some of these coins from 2019. They're great coins, Roadkill. Let's go here. Okay, we've got a green candle here. So Team Green, you're in the lead. We've got 2 minutes and 30 seconds left on this candle. Team Green is in the lead. Silver futures still above 85. Okay. Okay, here we go. Talking about being overbought. Macro liquidity is saying MSN keeps shouting overbought, extended bubble, yet every pullback gets absorbed across the entire metals complex and keeps grinding higher. Gold, silver, copper, platinum, palladium, all moving together. That's not speculation, that's regime transition. By the time consensus realizes what real monetary regime shift looks like, it won't be tradable anymore. It'll be a chapter in the history books. Bubbles collapse fast, regimes grind higher and reprice everything. That's what I believe we're in, guys. True price discovery. I love that. Gold all new high. Let's go, says Nostra, House of Gold. And Peter Spina here talking about this is what Shanghai closed last night. So here's how you read this. SGE is the Shanghai Gold Exchange. Where's my mouse? There it is. Shanghai Gold Exchange, Shanghai Futures Exchange. This is their daily report. And this is what it closed at in RMB. And remember, they trade by kilogram. See that? Kilogram. And RMB. And somebody makes this table. His name's Bay. Every day he Bay X, I believe. Bay X something. He does this every day. So last night, their market closed at $93.27 equivalent for silver. AG is a periodic symbol for silver. For gold, AU, periodic symbol, closed at 45.6118. And what are we at right now on gold? We hit the all-time high of 46.22. That is epic. Okay. So yeah, that's basically how you read that. Crazy. Yeah, here he is. Bay Exion. I don't know how to... If someone knows how in chat to pronounce this name, please tell me, because I do try to get names right. We're going to need a bigger chart. Dude, that's hilarious. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to need a bigger chart. It can't be long before we see a 10% silver miners move day. I agree with that. I agree with that. Okay, let's refresh here, and then I'm going to go back to the charts. Uno momento, por favor. Okay, we'll go there. Bang. We're fighting, guys. We're fighting against the big bankers. Breaking news. I got live footage from the COMEX piping it in.
Run.
Poor Mortimer. Poor Mortimer. I'm still buying right now. I don't know. I'm gonna continue to tell you guys if I'm still buying. It depends at what 100 things look like. I'm still buying now though. I just bought a bunch this last weekend at the Fun Coin Show. Okay, guys, here's the situation. I gotta go pick up Master Stacker. We gotta eat some breakfast burritos because one of y'all in chat donated that earlier. Thank you so much. So we're gonna get breakfast burritos. We're going to shoot a little bit of content. I'm going to get him back to my studio. We're going to cover the market this evening. If something crazy happens today, we'll cover the market earlier. And while we're around and out and about in the city, we might do a live stream for y'all in Key West, Florida. We're currently closer to Cuba than a Walmart. So make sure you subscribe, turn on the notifications. At the very least, I'll be live tonight covering the Asian market open. We will do a channel member only live stream in the War Room tonight on YouTube. For channel members, what happens in the War Room stays in the War Room. So I'm going to be doing that, but what a wild time to be alive. Silver hitting an all-time high of 85.73. Gold hitting an all-time high of 46.20. Ladies and gentlemen, crazy. Do you think Steven Spielberg would sue you for using the Jaws clip? We're going to need a bigger boat. Let me look into that, Floyd Lawton. If it's short enough, no. If it's long enough, yes. I'll look into. I mean, Silver Baggins got a cease and desist from Lord of the Rings for using the word Baggins, so it's possible. All right, guys, it's going to be a wild day. We're probably going to continue to see attacks. We might see an after lunchtime rally. We'll see what the market closes at tonight, but I'm going to be going live closer to around 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the Asian markets. It's going to be a wild night. It's going to be a wild night. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for tuning in. I'll see you later this evening, and I'll use this one right now. It's the end of the video. And what do we say, channel members? CYOTNO, which literally stands for catch you on the next one. Catch you on the next one. Woo!
One stacker on a journey
To find
silver.
International Stacker.
Each year, the Stacker Crab makes a pilgrimage to the International Stacker YouTube channel. Here we have a typical Stacker Crab. While typical crabs will eat shells and food of such, these crabs only feast on silver.
Mega